going to Richmond. Where is Richmond? Nice people. This is Richmond. Ocherous. We're at the Richmond Estate. The site name Richmond Estate. Nice evening. You see Carol? See the palm trees? Palm trees remind me of Florida. Beautiful, beautiful Jamaica. See Carol? The richness, the lushness, the greenness. It's a beautiful evening. Rain is coming down. The rain is coming down. So beautiful houses. Beautiful houses. Nice. Oh, them look nice too. Don't it, Cairo? Can you see it? Pretty flowers. Place nice. We have arrived. Came to see our cousin Barbara. It's a beautiful place. Nice and everything. Yes, guys. Cairo, why are you beating it down?
Yeah, I'm not beating.
It beat too much things. Cairo. Cairo. Hey, Cairo. Watch him, Cairo Gando. All other things. Look.
Oh, no, me hear about it when they.
My son went to the old years up and them said all.
Cairo.
You cool or you want more?
No, man, it's cold.
You
It's
call
not England
Barbara?
weather. It's not England weather. Yeah.
Actually, it has snow in England now. It has snow where you are
So I
because
heard. I'm not
somebody
sure.
tell me say it's snowing.
I'm not sure.
Yeah,
you're
Liverpool
not
match
sure?
it out for postpone. Liverpool play Southampton and then them were thinking about postponing the match.
Here they know football.
No, because you talk about snow, because it has snow.
Oh, so.
When you look on where Liverpool train, normally it's green grass and be a white, you see.
Oh, so because of the snow,
They
the
were going to
football match
postpone
is
the game.
unable to play.
They're not going to play in the snow, don't they?
Yeah, but they have to change the color of the ball. They play the orange ball. So the place here, Miss Barbara.
All
So you see
Liverpool
that bus
clothes.
here?
Alright,
You
Carol.
go on video. You know?
Carol. Carol, you alright down there?
You see it here?
Nobody get up, man.
Oh, wait.
Sit down.
The beach where you saying me about?
sea.
One private. There's a private beach. I'm telling you, man.
Nice blue sea.
Right as you come up.
Carol. Carol in the supermarket cart. Going shopping. Hi, Cuz Barbara. How you doing?
I'm in Jamaica.
My cousin is in Jamaica. She's all the way from England. Hi, Carol.
Hello, Cairo.
Carol and his grandfather pushing him in the chair. Hi, Liana. Hi, Liana. Watch Cairo.
Oh, maybe I can find you.
Florida's cold right now because her dad had on a jacket.
That's how I know.
Yes, Barbara, Florida is cold. I not like me. Enjoy the little coldness when I get up there.
Oh, yeah, we're going to have like egg and stuff.
You want eggs? Eggs and eggs.
Where are we going to get breakfast?
We're going to look for eggs.
Lunch and dinner.
Watch Carol, look. Carol must say, wonder
I will
what
boil
they're
it.
all saying. Hey, Carol. Where are we going today? You just waked up. Huh? Carol. Foggy road. Foggy. Guys, guys, I'm in the country. Baba, how down here?
Oh my, pretty good.
It's pretty good.
Yes, man.
We come so close to the fog. It's very, very, you see it?
Yes, it's nice.
I saw the place stay all the while when the rain fall.
Not all the time.
Oh,
Not all the time.
but a whole lot of fog is here today.
Yes, ma'am.
How far when the rain a fall down here, Baba?
The rain, let me tell you, say, you come here Saturday.
Oh,
When him come Saturday, it does stop until now.
oh, from Saturday the rain a fall.
Yes, don't stop until now.
We get a whole week of rain.
Yes, ma'am.
Some-
We did heard about it, so we have to just take it.
Yes,
And work
so
with it.
true. And where we are, we want to tell them where we're there. Where am I, Baba?
You are in Top Mountain.
I'm in Top Mountain.
Yeah.
So Top Mountain, here says Top Mountain.
Yes.
So
yes.
I have no other name.
No.
Just Top Mountain, St. Catherine.
Fine view.
Fine View.
Yeah.
So we
Fine
are
View.
in Fine View, Top
Yeah.
Mountain, St. Catherine. Okay, Baba, I'm going to
Nice.
show them the fog because trust me, up here foggy. Guys, when you see the fog, I'm in Top Mountain. Let me borrow Baba umbrella.
Yeah, man, and go to and view what you
Yes,
want to view.
and view it.
Yes, man.
So Top Mountain nice.
Yes, man. Up here, nice.
Eh?
Everybody come up here want a piece of land up here.
Oh, everybody come at Top Mountain, one
Yes.
piece of land.
Yes, stranger come from all about.
And look on the breadfruit them, man.
Oh, next
I said rain and fall, me can't forget to. Me love breadfruit, you know.
Granted, them already yet.
Them not ready yet.
Them just too.
So me have
Which
to
more?
come back when them ready.
Me said, make it you. You don't have to come back. I'll pack up, give car and send them.
Yeah, send breadfruit for me, Baba.
We are say, man, auntie.
Yes, Baba.
Me look a brother come here and for my first time and get breadfruit.
Yes.
Him not come. He tell daddy. We tell Bobo. Look wet. Look breadfruit.
Tell Baba to look breadfruit. I know say once him say Baba to look breadfruit.
Auntie.
Breadfruit I go look.
Auntie Dave not come out of the car good.
Eh,
Me here in the background. You see Bobo?
eh.
I say, yeah, my.
Here am I. So guys, when country for come, Baba make sure so we get with breadfruit.
always.
Baba, you do your little smoky like one, Baba. I hear what do you think, Baba?
Come on, I know I take you up here when I do your thing.
All right, Baba, bless up yourself here.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. Let me
Yes,
see the
man.
little fog, Baba. Me I go walk and look.
Yes, man.
Yes, guys, I'm in Top Mountain, Fine Hill. You can see the fog.
Yeah, yes, man.
It's very, it's foggy. It's
Them say you have a
kind of clear, but it's foggy here today.
cup take over.
Let me show you. Let me see if I can zoom in a little. Yes, zoom in. So this is the fog. You see, it's very foggy today. So I've been to Ocho today in one day. Ocho from Ocho St. Anne's Bay. Now in Top Mountain, Fine Hill. So, me dey on a hill. Me dey on a hillside. Yes, guys, up in the cool hills of Fine Mountain. Yes. So this is what it's like here today. It's raining. It has been raining from week. And Baba said from Saturday rain and fall. And guys, I was gonna put off the trip, but because I get my cousin is here, so she surprised me. Didn't know that she was coming. So we come down, and when I come down, I get surprised. So this is what's happening today. Yes, all the way in Fine Hill. A Fine Hill, Top Mountain. Fine view. Some fine aguan. I don't know, but you see how it's foggy, guys? The place very foggy. Oh Lord, look there. But it's nice, my kind of weather. I love the rain. Elizabeth, you saw me love rain. I always love when rain fall. It's raining. Rain. What a day. But you know, in everything we give God thanks. We thank Him for the rain. We thank Him for the sunshine. We thank Him for everything. Yes, guys. You see, up there, so stay, I'm sure no. So that is all fogged. Okay, guys? Yes. Come, cause Barbara, mother's in the night. We're at Mother's, going to get something to eat. It's the part of the journey. Come, cuz Barbara, let's go to Mother's. Guys, I love Mother's, and everybody love Mother's patio, but we love Mother's patio. We outside. Rainy night.
I'm a grand. Yeah, man. I like a mice. So.
Out here busy in the night?
It's actually rain now, you know, in a way, but so you have time when you're busy.
Okay.
And you have to see Christmas now, so you know, it's busy.
So I get busy, yeah. Alright, take care of yourself here. Thank you.
Yeah, man, bless up yourself.
To look a lot like Christmas. Still in Ochi for the night. Shamar. Hi, Liana. How you doing? Hi, everyone. Hi, Caro. What a Caro? I see fierce. Ochi town in the night. Ochi town in the night. Out and about.
We're on holiday.
We're on a holiday. It's a holiday. Is it a holiday? When will your holiday be up?
Never. I'm permanently on holiday.
You're permanently on holiday? Okay. Hey guys, good night. I'm in Richmond. Richmond. Is it Richmond?
Yes.
Richmond. Yes, Richmond
In St. Anne.
in St. Anne's, and I'm here with Cuz Barbara. I got a surprise visit. Wasn't I surprised? Didn't know that she was coming, but I'm glad to see her. Nice to see you, Cuz Barbara.
To see you. Nice. Thank you.
And how's your little short vacation?
It's going very well.
Good, and you enjoy yourself here?
Indeed.
Amen. To God be the glory.
Amen.
Great things He has done. It's always a privilege. It's always nice to see you.
Nice to have the family around.
So true. And how is England?
I heard it's snowing.
Oh, snowing.
That's what I heard.
Okay, it must be cold. Very cold up there. But I think if Jamaica should I ever get snow, we couldn't manage it because the houses are not built for snow.
I heard a prophecy that snow is coming to Jamaica. Have you heard it?
No? Really?
Yep.
Really no. Well, I'll be looking and I'll be waiting to see if it will come true. But with God, all things are possible. So we will just wait and see. Yes, guys, so we're just here hanging out. We're on the road all day. Yes, went to work this morning, leave work, come and meet up with Cuz Barbara. We had a wonderful time.
And we went to St. Catherine.
Yeah,
Funny
we-
view.
Fine view, yes, we went into
Top
the
mountain.
cool hills of Top Mountain in St. Catherine. Top
Where it was
Mountain.
foggy, yeah.
Fine view, yeah, it was very foggy, very foggy. You know, at first, I never really been so near to the fog. And you know, it's because of the hill.
Yeah.
Because Fine View is on Top Hill. Fine View is in Top Hill.
No, Top Mountain.
Top Mountain. Top Mountain,
In
not
St.
Top
Catherine.
Hill.
Yeah.
Top Mountain.
There's more than one Top Mountain, but the one we went to was in St. Catherine. I think there's more than one in St. Catherine.
Okay, more than one?
More than one. I don't know where the other one is. But
Oh. So more than one Top
I think it's near
Mountain.
Guys Hill or something like that. You know?
Guys Hill. You know, me have a friend that used to live in Guys Hill. Yes, her name was Susie. We used to work together. Miss Judith. When I was working with Miss Judith, Yes, Susie also worked there, and she was from St. Catherine, Guys Hill. She always talking about Guys Hill. You know Guys Hill?
Not really.
Okay,
Not really. I've heard of it.
you heard of it. Okay, so Guys Hill is in St. Catherine, and St. Catherine is very big because Portmore is also in St. Catherine. Old Harbor is also in St. Catherine, don't it? Old Harbor.
Yeah.
Yeah, and Linstead. St. Catherine is very big. And Top Mountain is Top Mountain. Me get it right?
Top Mountain.
Oh, not Top Hill.
Not
Top
Hill.
Mountain Fine View. And it was very nice there today, and very
Foggy.
cool and very foggy and very rainy. Baba tell me that it was raining. It has been raining from Saturday. Was it raining when you went there Saturday? Dear?
Yeah, really, rain.
Okay. So,
So
we
that's
get,
almost a week.
yeah, we get a whole week,
5
a whole
days.
weekend coming down into the week of rain. It has been raining. Even in Kingston, it has been raining, but you know, we give God thanks for the rain. We give Him thanks for the sunshine. We give Him thanks for everything.
What does the song say? By Jermaine Edwards.
Thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. Thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mm-mm-mm. Hey, la la la
Don't
la.
know. Don't know.
Yes, guys. Beautiful. Hi, guys. Hello again. I'm here with my little cousin Liana.
Bonjour.
Hey, bonjour. That's nice. And guys, Liana is also a YouTuber, but she's in the what kind of industry are you in on YouTube?
I'm in the hospitality industry, so I
Okay.
work as a pastry chef / baker.
Wow. She works as a pastry chef / baker. So that is what you do on your channel.
Yeah.
So could you tell me a little bit about what you do on your YouTube channel?
So my name is Angela, and my YouTube channel is Golden Flavors. GOLDEN and on my YouTube channel I'll be baking, teaching you how to bake, and you know, just going around a few bakeries as I live in the States.
Whoa, that's awesome. So you're a baker
Yeah.
and you're in the pastry industry. Guys, you know, we love baking and pastries. If you have sweet tooth, and even if you don't have sweet tooth, you can follow Liana's channel. Very interesting as YouTubers, you know. YouTubers go after different stuff because everybody does different things on
Yeah.
YouTube. I myself will, you know, if I'm going to Sunday school, I'll do a little of this. If I'm going down the road and I see anybody and it's interested, you know, I
Yeah.
talk to them, video them, showing places and stuff like that. So it's nice also to go into the food industry.
Yeah.
Could you put out the name of your channel again?
So my YouTube channel is called Golden Flavors. GOLDENFLAVAHZ.
And guys, I would love for you to please to subscribe and to follow Liana's channel. And her name is Angela.
Yeah.
But I call her Liana. And we're all YouTubers. We're all YouTubers. I would love for you to just follow, like, watch, share, subscribe. Tell someone about it. Somebody tell somebody about me. So I would like for you guys to also tell someone about my little cuz also.
Tell a friend to tell a friend.
Amen. And what is it like being a YouTuber?
So far, it's very, you know, motivating because I have to like keep coming up with ideas, what to post, and how to engage with my audience. But so far it's going great.
That's guys, continue to like, continue to subscribe to my channel. God bless you. Have a blessed and beautiful time. God bless you. Peace out. Love, blessings, and favor always upon your life. Bless you.